Turned out to be another good Friday. Wound up making $360 all in one day. Let's take a look at the first trade, which was FSLR. And we're looking at the 47.5 strike price call option. I sold 3 contracts at 21 cents, made $59. Let's take a look where FSLR closed at. It was down $1.25. The last trade was 44.60. Let's take a look at the next trade, which was Netflix. The 215 strike price call option. I sold 2 contracts. I'm down to 1 at 110, and I'm up $194. Let's take a look where Netflix closed at. It was down $2.39. The last trade was 213 even. And the next trade was Baidu. The $100 strike price call option. I sold 2 contracts at 54 cents, and I'm up $107. Let's take a look where Baidu closed at. It was down 191. The last trade was 97.75. Turned out to be a real good day. I'm happy with my trades. If you're interested in trading options, or if you want more information about trading options, go to my website, which is listed right below at www.tradingoptionsoneonone.com. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you there.